Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a zip file to Google Drive and share a link with anyone quickly, safely, and step by step. Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, this method works flawlessly in 2025. So stick around because I'll make it super easy for you. Open Google Drive first, open your browser, and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account where you want to store your zip file. Once you're in, you'll see your Drive dashboard with all your files and folders. Upload the zip file next. Click the plus new button on the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Now, navigate to the zip file on your computer, select it, and click Open. You'll see a small status window at the bottom right showing the upload progress. Once it's done, your zip file will appear in your drive. Organize optional but recommended. For better organization, consider creating a dedicated folder. Click plus New, then Folder, give it a name, and drag your zip file into that folder. This keeps your drive neat and makes it easier to manage shared files. Share the zip file. Now, let's share it. Right-click on the zip file, or folder if you placed it in one, and select Share. A pop-up window will appear. Here you have two options. Specific people, enter email addresses of people you want to share with. They'll get an invitation to access the file. Anyone with the link, click Change to anyone with the link. You can choose whether people can view, comment, or edit. Copy the shareable link after selecting your sharing preference. Click Copy Link. Now the link is ready to be pasted in emails, chats, or anywhere you want to share it. Test the link, optional but recommended. Before sending it out, it's a good idea to open an incognito window and paste the link. This ensures it works as intended, and anyone with the link can access the file. And that's it. Uploading a zip file to Google Drive and sharing it has never been easier. Now you can safely store and share large files with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.